All right, so this drawer is called Medical, and this is for anything I need because I could be in the middle of nowhere and need something. And you'll find a lot of these things unique. This is in case I get a cold. I have a lot of cold things. Now, I'm not going to tell you specifically what to use, you'll figure it out. Okay, so that's for cold. And then I got this in case I have a headache. I can just put some ice there. This is really nice. It's a mosquito net, head net, that I got at Walmart because I'm going to New Jersey and Florida. What do we have here? Oh, Sun Care First Aid Relief. I got that at Walmart for $2.25. That one's pretty good. And the rest are mostly for bunions. And this is a cooling headache pad, so that's kind of nice. All right, something neat that I really enjoy packing. This is the Dental Medic Complete First Aid for your teeth. And I just got this at a regular store. It includes temporary cavity filling mixture because I've been out in the middle of nowhere and broke a tooth. So this is what's in the pack. There we go. And it's Adventure Medical Kits. Very, very useful. Like I said, what do we have here? Oh, lots of loperamide, anti-diarrheal. I told y'all I've been hiking up in Bryan Head, Utah, and found myself the poison ivy and went to the store, and their calamine relief was over $5. I got this at the Dollar Tree when I got down the mountain for $1 and well, at the time it was $1. All right, that's just tape. This, I tell you all the time, this is the best thing to get rid of pesky mosquitoes. That is from the Dollar Tree. It's mentholated, and I guess mosquitoes hate it. What else do I have in here? Oh, oregano. That's just, someone told me that's really good. All right, I wanted to show you something really, really cool. This I got at Walmart. It's called the Tick Key. And basically, it looks like a little key, and you can just get off a tick, especially if they're on poor old Lucy. Most of this stuff is because I'm allergic to my grand kitten. So allergy medications, ear solution, dry eye. I do a lot of swimming. Saline nasal gel. I go to the driest climates. I go to the wettest climates. It doesn't matter. This is my Bonine because I like going on amusement parks. So that's for motion sickness. We have some hand sanitizer, stomach relief, and a little syringe for Miss Lucy. I just mix up a little bit and it seems to work. More allergy relief medication. All right, so first aid kit, very important. Triple antibiotic ointment, alcohol prep pads, bandages. This is my whole thing. Bandages, iodine, wraps and everything. Very, very important. We'll come over here. I get a lot of this Afterbite stuff from Walmart. And this is to apply directly on mosquito bites. They have it in cream. And that you can stick right on. This is called Sting Ease. Like I said, anti-itch cream, antifungal cream. Those mosquitoes are nasty. Let's see. Then, of course, I have a lot of, we went through the bandages. And then, okay, y'all know I have weak little ankles and everything. So I believe that's for my foot. It doesn't say. This is an ankle wrap, and that I believe is for my hand. So I have different types of wraps there. And of course I put my regular medication in here too. So that's mostly what I have. These are extra braces for nighttime that I keep in a denture cup. All right, I think we covered everything I got here. Oh, and of course, who doesn't need a sanitizer? And this is for your nose. That's menthol flavor. Got it. All right, so that's what's in my quick little first aid kit. See you down the road. Bye, everyone.